What's up, party people? You're listening to the Journal Party Podcast, where every week we get together for a little guided journaling jam sesh. My name is Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that until we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, and if you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. Hey, party people. I've been working on some really cool stuff lately. I'm very excited about it. Can't wait to share it with y'all. And, it's got me thinking about creativity in general. Sometimes it feels like it's flowing through me like a river, and other times it feels like I'm trying to squeeze water from a stone. Or is it blood from a stone? I've heard this before. Last week I sat down to work on some new journal prompts, and my mind was just completely blank. Nothing. But then today, ideas were practically falling out of my brain faster than I could write them down. I realized that creativity isn't about forcing inspiration or waiting for the perfect moment. It's about learning to recognize and work with your own unique creative rhythm. Because once you get going, you got that flow. It just pours out, right? That's why today we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts to help you discover and honor your natural creative cycles. So open up that journal and let's get this party started. Here comes prompt number 1. When do you feel most creatively alive? Describe the time of day, environment, and conditions that seem to spark your imagination. Prompt number 2. Write about a time when creativity came to you unexpectedly. What were you doing? And how did you respond to this surprise inspiration? Prompt number 3. What creative activity makes you lose track of time whenever you're engaged in it? How does it feel in your body when you're in this flow state? Prompt number 4. What barriers or blocks have been standing between you and your creative expression? Write honestly about what's been holding you back. Prompt number 5. Imagine creativity as a living entity that wants to collaborate with you. What would this creative spirit want you to know about working together more harmoniously? All right, party people, I hope these prompts helped you to tune into your own creative wavelengths. Creativity isn't just for artists or musicians. We're all creative beings, whether we're solving problems, cooking dinner, or rearranging our living room furniture, whatever it is. The key is recognizing when and how your unique energy flows and creating space for it in your life. If you enjoyed today's journaling session, I've got some great news for you. The Journal Party app has a whole series of creative, focused journaling prompts that can help you tap into your creative potential every single day. They include expanded prompts, guidance, and community support, of course, to keep your momentum going. Momentum. Oh, I said that. And hey, I would love to see how these prompts inspired you. So go ahead, share your insights with me on Instagram at JournalPartyOMG. Your creative breakthroughs might be exactly what someone else in our community needs to hear. And if today's episode helped you connect with your creative self, please take a moment to leave a review. Your support means the world to me, and it helps other journalers find our little party, which is becoming a big party, and that's the coolest thing in the world. So thank you so much for journaling with me today. Remember that creativity isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, staying curious, and honoring your unique rhythm. And with that, party on.